Leaning in the race. Yeah. Life is bittersweet. Hey, hey. They say my life is bittersweet. Oh. Look, wave. Tapped in. Lately my life had a fact.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Hey loves, it is your girl, Lovely Angel Lady, L to the A to the L. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So I ordered 2 wigs from Zinnys Glam, and that's why I have 2 accessories, 2 wig caps, etc. I am going to, of course, bring you another video for the second one, but we are taking a look at this beauty today, okay? She has pretty much individual braids, and I love the parting. Look at the front. So yeah, I got the lace just pretty much up until like the middle of the head, and then she does have the little black strap, the elastic band, and no combs. But anywho, how I am heating up some water, and we are going to just dip the hair. So now we got it boiling hot, and you want to be careful if you do this. Just showing you that this is her information, and this is the wig I got, y'all, and this is Zinnys Glam Instagram page. Look how talented. Aren't these braid wigs gorgeous, honey? Yes, baby. Yes. So anywho, how y'all, I'm just doing this because when, you know, they ship them, the braids are not really straight. They're kind of folded. So that's the only reason I was dipping it. You don't have to do that. But hey, it's me, y'all. It's your girl, L to the A to the L. And I'm going to go ahead and get this girl on, and we're going to install her. And yeah. So as you guys can see, mine is brown. I believe I got number 4, but I'm gonna go in with my Gotta Be, and this is their spray. So I'm just using this Gotta Be. I saw some pretty good reviews on this, so I grabbed it. I haven't been using that yellow one because it just sprays, the Gotta Be free spray, and the yellow can just sprays all over my face. The nozzle is like jacked up. I don't know what's going on with it, but anywho, how I am taking this rat tail comb and just going through like that, just making sure that the wig, the lace actually adheres to my head, to the actual wig cap. And then I am using my shears to cut in a zigzag motion, y'all, and we are removing the lace from the front. And then once we remove the lace, that's usually when I go back in and take the braid down. So I'm just going back in just to make sure it's secured and laying flat. And then I'm going to actually unbraid the little baby hairs so I can tweeze and cut them and style them. But yeah, that's what we doing, y'all. But I will drop all of the information below for y'all, mis amores. I will put it in the description box, so always check down there because your girl puts goodies in the description box for y'all. But yeah, I think this wig is gorgeous. At first I thought it was gonna be heavy, but once you get it on, that band kind of like really helps secure it. I usually prefer to have a comb at least in the back, since, you know, I usually spray these down and secure them to my head in the front. I'm not worried about a comb in the front. But anywho, how y'all, I'm just going in between the baby hairs and the actual unit itself, and just making sure that it's laying down because I don't want this wig sliding off, considering there are no combs. Okay. The fit is pretty good with that strap though. I have a little under average size head. Yeah, just a little bit under average. So I like to cut them down, tweeze them, and then if I need to trim them some more, that's what I do. But you get quite a bit of baby hairs, and we do not need all that hair. You heard me? We don't need all that. No, sis. So y'all, yeah, I'm just going in and heavily tweezing to get rid of some of that, you know, and then we're gonna style our edges. Okay, baby. So, all right, y'all. It is time. We are gonna go in with our Gotta Be a Glue styling gel, and I like to use that especially when I'm securing the hairs down in the front of a unit like this, because it helps secure the hair and it won't move. It'll last all day. And then I'm just going in with my little Kiss makeup. It's cream to powder, just to kind of make it look a little bit more defined and natural in the front. And yes, yeah, sugars, look at the parting. It's so neat. I love it, and the length is just amazing. I'll drop all the deets for y'all below just in case you didn't catch it when I showed it on the screen. But I love the length. I'm 4'11", just in case y'all are wondering. Yeah, your girl is a shorty. Y'all are always telling me that I look like what is her name? Toya. Y'all always telling me I look like Toya. Toya Wright, Toya Johnson, Toya. What is Toya's last name now? But anyway, y'all, here's a mini tutorial for you. Check out Wig Slayer's Beauty.
How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop work is life when it's complex. I found love when it's center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people, this is city. I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every break. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. Oh, you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off.